Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to request money with Zelle using Chase. Start by logging into your Chase account to the Chase mobile app or website. Tap on Pay and Transfer from the main menu. In the Zelle section, tap on Request. If your person you're requesting money from is already in your Zelle contacts, simply select their name. If not, you can just invite a new contact. Once you've selected the contact, enter the amount of money you're requesting. Make sure to double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Before sending the request, Chase will give you the option to review all the details, including the recipient and the amount. If you want to include a note or memo with your request, you can add it there. And after reviewing all the information, tap Request. The request will be sent to your contact, and they will be notified that you're asking for money. And when they accept it, you will receive your money instantly. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.